Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the anti-aliasing setting in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so from the main menu by opening this, clicking on this clipboard, or by pressing the escape key and then opening settings. Once here, select graphics, then scroll down to the graphics section. Look for anti-aliasing. Here, pick either disabled, FAA, SMAA or TAA. FAA is fast anti-aliasing. This is the cheapest in terms of resources, but it doesn't look as good. Honestly, if you want to, you can think of it as low, medium and high, with TAA being sometimes the most desirable. I'll disable it. Once you are done adjusting this for yourself, simply hit apply and then close. Next, hit return to game, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.